How to fix error_timed_out error. The error_timed_out error in web browsers typically indicates that the website you're trying to access took too long to respond. Here are several methods you can try to fix this error. 1. Check your internet connection *. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Try accessing other websites to see if the issue is specific to one site. 2. Refresh the page *. Click the refresh button on your browser or press F5 to reload the page. 3. Clear browser cache and cookies *. Cached data or cookies may cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. 4. Try another supported browser *. If the issue persists, try accessing the website using a different browser. 5. Disable browser extensions *. Browser extensions or plugins might interfere. Temporarily disable them and check if the error persists. 6. Check firewall and security software *. Your firewall or security software might be blocking the website. Temporarily disable them and see if the issue is resolved. 7. Flush DNS cache *. Open command prompt and type IP protocol configuration /flushes. Press enter to clear the DNS cache. 8. Restart router/modem *. Power cycle your router and modem. Unplug them, wait a few seconds, and then plug them back in. 9. Use Google's public DNS *. Change your DNS settings to Google's public DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. 10. Disable proxy settings *. Go to your browser settings and make sure proxy settings are disabled. 11. Check host file *. Make sure the website is not blocked in your computer's host file. 12. Update browser *. Ensure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers may have compatibility issues. 13. Check for malware *. Run a full antivirus and anti-malware scan to ensure your system is clean. 14. Contact your ISP asterisk. If the issue persists, contact your internet service provider, ISP, to check for any network-related problems. 15. Try another device asterisk. If possible, try accessing the website from another device to see if the issue is device-specific. 16. Contact website support asterisk. If the problem persists and is specific to one website, contact the website support for assistance. It's worth noting that the error_timed_out error can be caused by various factors, and the solution may depend on the specific circumstances. If the issue persists, you may need to seek assistance from technical support or the website support team.